Defence Minister Rajnath Singh attended the Startup Manthan 2021 at Aero India in Bengaluru. He spoke about how startups would help the economy, defence, manufacturing and various other sectors. Addressing the event, Rajnath Singh said that Startup India was based on 3 pillars.
He started with the objective of harnessing the young talent, the spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship ingrained in the Indian ethos. Startup India was based on 3 major pillars. First, simplification and handholding. Second, funding and incentives. And third, incubation and industry academia partnerships. With a resounding success since its start, the program today boasts an ecosystem of more than 41,000 startups and 4.7 lakh jobs reported by them. Also, rupees 4,500 crore of investment made in 384 startups through Funds of Fund scheme.
Rajnath Singh then spoke about how doors to DRDO laboratories have been opened for private industries to provide support to defence startups.
Our government is acutely conscious that startups, being the latest in trends in the defence manufacturing sector, require that extra push. With this aim in view, we have taken many steps to foster and encourage this partnership with private industry. I would like to highlight some of them, like opening up the patents and laboratories of DRDO to private industry, setting up of young scientist labs in niche technology areas, programs like Innovation for Defence Excellence, Defence India Startup Challenge and IDEX for Fauji, etc.
The Defence Minister also said that under the new Defence Acquisition Procedure 2020 initiative, startups are allowed to participate in Make in India forums.
Dear friends, our commitment to ensure that technology developed by the Startup Ecosystem Act as force multipliers to the Indian military operational and combat capabilities. This has been highlighted in the latest version of the Defence Acquisition Procedure 2020. This allows startups to participate in Make in India forums and also reserve projects up to ₹100 crore for micro, small and medium enterprise.
Startup Manthan 2021 is an exhibition dedicated to show innovation in the defence sector.
Friends, I have been informed that Startup Manthan 2021 is being organized by Innovations for Defence Excellence Defence Innovation Organization as an annual flagship event dedicated to showcase innovations and technological developments in defence sector. It brings together startups, MSMEs, the corporate and military representatives to identify way forward and to further strengthen the partnership. Friends, as you are aware,
Rajnath Singh also spoke about the formation of IDEX, which is also known as Innovations for Defence Excellence, to create corporate models for the Indian defence sector.
To create corporate models for Indian defence needs. Such needs were to identify emerging technologies, connect innovators to military units, facilitate co-creation, and create pathways for incorporation of cutting-edge technology into weapon systems used by our armed services. Attaining self-reliance in the manufacturing of defence equipment is a crucial factor for maintaining India's strategic autonomy. The IDEX initiative stands out as one of the most effective and well-executed defence startup ecosystem created in our country.
Concluding his address, Rajnath Singh said that self-reliance in defence manufacturing was crucial for India's strategic autonomy. It is noteworthy that the Defence Ministry handed over Hindustan Aeronautics Limited contract to manufacture 83 LCA Tejas fighters, which is one of the biggest Make in India defence contracts.